Well worth checking out for your exam study reference and your own testing. But let's take a look now, as we did last time, in terms of when you would use exact data match versus custom sensitive information types versus document fingerprinting. And I've asked Copilot once again, and Copilot, as ever, has told me this is a great question. And Purview offers several methods to classify and protect sensitive information. And here's a breakdown of when to use which. So just a little reminder, custom sensitive information types, we need to use these when we want to detect patterns of sensitive data that aren't covered by the built-in SITs. And the data follows a specific format or pattern, such as a custom ID, account number, or internal reference code. You also would want to use this when you want to use regular expressions, keywords, and confidence levels to define what constitutes sensitive data. And it gives you some example use cases here, such as employee ID numbers with specific format. In fingerprinting, which was the subject of the last video, we want to use that when we want to protect standardized forms or templates that contain sensitive information, and when the document structure is consistent, even if the actual data varies, and when you need to detect documents that are similar in layout and content to a known sensitive document. Example use cases here: tax forms, medical intake forms, or legal contracts or NDAs. Now we've got exact data match, and we want to use EDM when we need to protect specific values from a structured data source, like a database or a CSV file, and when the data is highly sensitive and precise, such as customer names, SSNs, or account numbers, and when you want high accuracy and low false positives in detection.